This is my neighbor's 2012 American Standard 4-ton central air conditioner running. It's March 29th, 2015, and yeah, I tried to get a video of it last night when it kicked on, but a little too dark out. They had their lights on in there. I needed a flashlight. I was just worried I would get caught or something. Just to disconnect the box. Yeah. It's actually not all that warm out right now. Brandish are getting ready to go for a bike ride, I think. Either a walk or a bike ride, I'm not really sure. We're going to a state park called IDB. It's up near the 380 window. It's a line set. Okay. Nice and cold and sweaty. It's got a Gen-Tech fan motor. Alright, I guess let's go back in the backyard. Here's the tree. Getting some buds on it, I think. We'll get one last look at it up here, and then I'm gonna go in, get some breakfast, and then me and Tim Brandish are gonna go. Yeah, it's the first video of my neighbor's 2012 American Standard 4-ton central air conditioner running in 2015. Anyways, I guess. Oh yeah, and real quickly, it replaced a York from 2001. And you can see old mounting pad down there. They put in a new mounting pad when they put it in. When they put this unit in. Oh, shut off. But yeah, anyways, I guess. Let's wait for it to shut off. It's got a, I forget what kind of compressor it's got. It's like a, oh yeah, it's an Alliance scroll. It's an Alliance scroll compressor. Alright, anyways, I guess. Over and out.